my brain.
Good morning, y'all. I gotta come up with a name for y'all when I get to that point. When I hit 1K subs, I'm gonna come up with a name for y'all. But I just had to work about 15-20 minutes ago. And y'all, I was having a, I'm always freaking out. Last night when I was about to start braiding my hair, because I have a lot to do this weekend. Not a lot, but I don't have enough time in a day sometimes. And I don't want to waste all my time doing one thing. So I'm like, I'm not doing my hair. So I took the handful of braids that I did out. And then I started like contacting people like, can you do my hair, can you do my hair, can you do my hair? And everybody trying to charge me an arm and a leg because I have locks. So to braid over the locks, they act like it's so difficult or they can't do it. My locks are so small. They're so small, they're not that thick. Like, they are very much under a year, so it hasn't even gotten to its full lock phase potential. But I'm just like, okay, I'll pay it, whatever. I just need it done. Like, I need it done. No. She's stressing me out. She wants some it would be box braids, not knowledge. Do it look like I wear box braids? Lord, let's just say a prayer, Lord. Please allow me to get these braids, Lord. I will never pay for hair. I don't never do nothing. I always do my own hair, Lord. Please allow me to get my hair done, Lord. Please. I'm begging you. Please. The way that I want it done. For real. I'm really crashing out about that damn Avid that I don't even want to talk about. I love her. We're friends now. But still, I be trying to just vab, and I just want my way all the time. Like, I can't keep wearing my hair like this. It's cute as hell, but it's like the 12th day. I'm ready to switch it up now. And I have to go to my school orientation and meet people, and I want my hair done now. Shit. The woman said she would do my hair. I'm gonna have to leave work early. It would not be a vlog if I did not leave work early. Like, I leave work early every damn day. But that's because I'm Monday through Friday. When you work a 9 to 5, all your appointments and everything, like, you have to be on the week. I mean, I could do it on the weekend, but again, I have other stuff to do, so I can't really just be over here busy on the week and then busier on the weekend. Like, that's not fair to me. I got stuff to do, y'all. So I'm going to get the knotless from her. She was like, oh, first she was trying to say she wanted to do box because she thought my hair was locked. But then I sent her a picture of my hair. My hair is really fine, so it's like literally fine. Like, it's not even locked at the front or the back. That's a box. I get what you mean though. Like, in the middle of the hair, it would have to be probably boxed, but the perimeter could be knotless. But I told her, if y'all can make it seamless where you cannot tell, I'm happy now. I'm gonna have to use more PTO though. I ain't gonna. But I'm getting my braids. I don't know why I'm so impatient. I could literally wait until tomorrow. Like, if I get there at 4, hopefully I don't have to leave. I think it's gonna be 2 girls on my head, which is fine. Do what y'all gotta do, but do it right. Hopefully they can get done in like no more than 5 hours. Like, please. But beggars can't be choosers. I was definitely out here begging in these streets for somebody to do my hair for under $600. And I got that. So we're good. And the hair is included, so we're good. And it's near my crib, so we're good. Oh, I was supposed to be going to the wine store with her. Oh wait, that was on my break. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I'm gonna talk to you when I go on my break. And I'm heading to the wine store. Because I ain't gonna lie, New Year's happened and that wine is gone. So we gotta go pick up some more stuff because we drank it all. Working here gives me baby fever so bad, y'all. This baby was in there just crying. So I went in there and I had to help her out. I'm like, I think he hungry. I said it at first and we was trying to figure it out, change the diaper, all of that. I'm like, that baby hungry. got his little bottle, and then he quiet. But yo, as bad as I want a baby all of a sudden, when he was crying, I was holding him, I'm like overstimulated. That's the one thing. Like, I hope God blesses me with a baby that don't cry, like, at all, because we both gonna be crying. I'm not gonna lie. You start crying and whamming on me and moving your head and you acting crazy, turning red, I'm gonna be crying right with you. What is happening? Like, babies are so cute, but when they start acting crazy and do that choking and holding their breath until they turn red, oh hell no. You're not even finna play like that with me. Swinging your head back and stuff. Oh no, I ain't ready for all of that. As much as I want a kid, you have to literally try several different things to figure out why are they upset. Are you hungry? Are you tired? Do you need a diaper change? Is it all three? And they're not gonna tell you. They just gonna keep crying until you figure it out. Like, I don't got time for them guessing games, y'all. But they're so cute. But that's the only thing I can say is, like, they're cute. That's it. Because everything else, you taking care of. My coworker, she's like, I'm gonna get you a puppy. And I'm like, I really want one. Like, I had a dog, a pit bull, though, like a bigger dog, medium. But she's talking about, like, a little Yorkie. And I'm like, yes, one that could sleep in my bed. And just, well, don't be peeing in my bed and stuff like that. That is a lot. That's really a baby too. But like one that just sit there and lay there and cuddle with you and don't cry. I don't like them little dogs that be whipping. But I seen the cutest little tiny Dachshunds, like the little wiener dogs. They're so cute. I don't even like wiener dogs, but I seen like the little miniature ones. And if they stay that size, yeah, I could put you in my pocket and go. Like, I don't even have to do all that, pay the fee for this. You won't even know they're there. You gotta be careful you don't step on them. But yeah, if I just get me a little tiny little doggy, keep him clean, keep it as a house dog, pee on the pad. I don't like that idea though, peeing on the pad. Like, we're gonna go outside, but like I don't want them to be too small where they can't go outside, but I don't want them to be too big where they growing and stuff. Like, stay one size forever until I get me a baby. Now I need a little doggy or something, because I mean, I've been enjoying being like individual. And I gave my dog away in the end of August, so September, October, November, December. Oh my God, January. Oh my God. It's been 4 months. I say 4 because it was the end of August, so it's been 4 months. That's crazy. Time fly when you don't have that type of responsibility. Like, but I've been busy non-stop. I don't even know how I would have handled a big dog like that. Like a little dog, I feel like I will be able to take them with me when I go. Nah, because where I be going don't be like places you could bring a dog. Damn, I don't know. And I'm about to be in school, so I'm never going to be home. It would be so selfish to get a dog. Damn. Like, my freedom, as much as I do like, oh, my video just uploaded. I love scheduling my videos. It makes everything so seamless. Like, I already have the description, the hashtags, the thumbnail, the upload, the title, everything, like, and it just uploads automatically, and I love that. Instead of me having to sit and try to connect to Wi-Fi and wait and do all this, I be on a roll. So this consistent, oh God, this girl. The consistency gonna be chilling because I found a way to really like keep it like that. But yeah, y'all, I want a little something, but I really be having baby fever, like, and marriage finger. Don't get me wrong now. We're gonna get married before anybody be thinking about popping no kids out, I promise you. And I'm gonna finish school first. But I really do want like a little companion, a little baby, a little something, like, I don't like cats. So I'm just screwed up by my lonely with my little plushie. F it. Hey y'all, I just had to do some cleaning because it was giving things needed to be cleaned up. Not really, but I'm about to clean out my cabinet, my little cabinet. I'm hungry. It's 11:12, so I'll be heading out later. I'm putting some oats. I didn't have time to put my strawberries. It's strawberry yogurt, Greek yogurt, which is actually pretty good. And I didn't know I like Greek yogurt. but I didn't have time to cut any strawberries up and add my agave and all of that good stuff. So I'm just eating it plain Jane today. I ain't gonna lie, I got more like personal stuff in my cabinet than work stuff. Extra clothes, like extra underwear, extra gym attire, which I think I wore these, so I gotta wash that. Like, all smell clean, so it'd be hard to tell, but I didn't work out. I didn't wear these in a while. I just be bringing like extra stuff because when I work out, I don't like to sit in wet clothes. That's nasty. So I change into my dry clothes till I get home, because I still be having like I don't just go straight home. So hopefully the logo didn't show. I be trying to be discreet about where I be at, but yeah, I just needed to tidy up because it was giving like I live here. And then I got like 10 waters in my Cause my coworkers, y'all, be spoiling me with snacks. Like, they give them to everybody, but sometimes they be exclusive snacks only I can get. And it's like giving big bags. Like, I gotta put it. Oh wait, I'm putting in a black bag so I don't look so fat. I bring extra socks too, because I don't play that. Like, hygiene is really like a top thing for me. Like, seriously, this shirt gotta get washed because I wore her. More clean socks. I probably got more socks here than I do in home. Deodorant, my workout sneakers. I only need to put. I just have it on, literally just to go. And then my wipes, which I don't know if I could fit anything else in here, but I have to hide these because if I don't, okay, I could fit it. I'm gonna have to keep ordering those because they be swallowing them. Like, y'all don't even clean up to be swallowing the wipes.
Toes creeping around like no one knows. Think you're so criminal. Roses on both my knees for you. Don't say thank you, oh please. I do what I want when I'm wanting to. Not so cynical. So you're a tough guy, like you really rough guy. Just can't get enough guy, just always a puff guy. I'm that bad type.
It's not the neatest, but
I'm the bad guy. I like it when you take control.
this is like my personal drawer rather than a drawer where I have my perfumes and stuff. I won't really be using this one. I don't like this scent, but I'm not returning it because it's too much work. I keep gum on standby for real. Looks a lot better. And now I'm going to. So that concludes me cleaning up my storage cabinet. I'm gonna literally stop it right here because tonight's vlog is going to be me getting my hair done. I'm not gonna do a lot of recording of that. I have a lot of videos that I have to upload. I don't want to waste too much storage. I still am in the process of getting them out. Each time I get them out, I delete the previous one. So I'm gonna take these home to wash. Then gotta take my trash out. And yeah, your girl is done for the day. Well, with y'all. But make sure I like, comment, subscribe. And I'll be back with more videos.
Think my brain is made for